After see. Welcome back to another epic outdoor cooking. Yes guys, today we are back at it again with another epic outdoor cooking, guys. And today is a lovely day. The sun is out, so we're gonna do some cooking and swimming as usual. So stay tuned.
By far?
Yes,
man.
First time Magnum when I heard this money.
Yes, first time.
What Magnum then good again?
My Magnum are tiny, everybody has Magnum. I'll tell you the Magnum. And this is from my eye. First you couldn't throw Magnum.
Oh yeah, give pussy again.
Alright guys, so this is what I'll be cooking today. Some pig feet and some pig head. So stay tuned and see when I get it seasoned.
Be a grizzly there and everything.
Grizzly cat.
That's it years old. I guess I sound good too. No wonder why they said they use the damn tough car up on the hole. This is all one pig here too. That's why they said damn stubborn.
Stubborn man. Hard beer.
We are making some river breakfast.
One onion to 1 kilo.
Sir, put the onion in the pot. Alright, checking guys into my outdoor kitchen. So today on the menu we have brown stew haggard with food, with some cornmeal dumpling and yams. And these are all my natural seasoning: sweet pepper, scallion, garlic, hot pepper.
Man style. Can you tell up onion in it?
Load it up with some onion. So it's breakfast time now, guys. See here?
Dorian. You want bread and mackerel?
Alright guys, I'm going to get the pig head boil off, and then I'm going to go ahead and season it up. So stay.
Blank chop or hog head. Hog head and hog foot, that's it?
Yeah, both of them.
Hog head and hog foot. Brown stew, hog head and hog foot.
Fish pack, man. They must come up.
We'll find some cook wire.
All my natural seeds are washed and ready to cut. So you don't want one more. You see if it finished boil off now. So guys, I'm going to add some seasoning. I already add some brown into it already, so I'm going to go ahead and add some seasoning. So this is some all-purpose seasoning. Some chicken seasoning. And some jerk seasoning. I'm going to mix that all up. This is how it's looking now after seasoning it up and add the browning to the meat. So guys, you have Island Adventure over there saying I make one raw and the way I make one fish basket. to catch fish. So stay tuned guys until I'm finished. So I'll season to my pot now. So stay tuned. Alright guys, now check over here to see what the guys are up to. Is the I'm gonna go ahead and add some cornmeal to my flour.
Right, that's all.
Oh man.
Alright, so this is the finished product after. Now go ahead and add a little bit of sugar, some ketchup, a little bit more seasoning, and we're gonna mix it up.
Keep one up each one way.
This is the finished product of the haggard and pig foot. And in here you have your dumpling and yam in here. Caramel dumpling and yam.
Alright, what's Tanisha share the cartwheel now?
I'm not cartwheel.
Big dumpling them, big.
At least we have more than two.
And do you want dog and must bite him up? Hey mama. Dogs, sit them up there. I'm gone.
Then I'll go down and feed me.
Live long and die long.
And doing over here, so I eat. Island adventure over here. Take a nice little seat.
Yeah, two number dumpling, we can manage. Yeah, more than two dumplings.
Alright, go on back now.